Okay, let's try another one. Here's what this problem says. Morgan works at a clothing store. They are running a sale on all of the different kinds of jeans this week. Use the table to determine the sale price of a pair of jeans that usually cost $33. So let's read it one more time. Morgan works at a clothing store. They are running a sale on all of the different kinds of jeans this week. Use the table to determine the sales price of a pair of jeans that usually cost $33. So here is our problem again, and then here's our table. What do you notice about this table? Does it look the same that it did this for the first example? Hopefully you're saying no. So sometimes you'll see tables that look like the first example, where they can go from side to side like this. Sometimes you'll have a table that looks like this. And instead of going side to side, it'll either go top to bottom, or it could even go bottom to top. So let's look at how we would figure out this problem with that. So here's what it says one more time. Morgan works at a clothing store. They are running a sale on all of the different kinds of jeans this week. Use the table to determine the sales price of a pair of jeans that usually cost $33. So we're looking for what this one's going to be way down here, but we have to fill in all these other boxes first. So let's look at it. I know that a regular pair of jeans cost $42. So I'm actually going to show $42. Now with this $42, I can also see that the sales price of the jean is $37. So I want you to think for a second, and then you're going to talk to somebody. How can you go from 42 to 37? If you go from 42 to 37, does your number get bigger or does your number get smaller? Talk to somebody next to you. All right, what did you decide? If you go from 42 to 37, does your number get bigger or did it get smaller? If you said it got smaller, then you are correct. So let's actually model that with our dollars right here. So I have $42, but I only want to have 37. So what could I do with some of these dollar bills to show only 37? Yeah, that's true. I could cross them off, or I could get rid of them. Either one works. But I'm going to go ahead and cross them off. So I crossed off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I count them again, let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. All right, I did it right. So I have $37 left. So let's look at the next one. The next pair of jeans usually cost $40, but they're on sale this week. Yay! So let's model $40. So here's my $40. And I know that when they're on sale, they cost how much? Yeah, they cost $35. So I want to make my model show that. So I started with 40, but I only want it to have 35. So I'm going to get rid of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's make sure I did it right. So these are in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So it shows that I have $35 left. Okay, and what did we say? Does the number, if it's on sale, is the number getting bigger or smaller? That's right, it's getting smaller, so keep that in mind because it's going to be really important in a little bit. Let's look at 37. So I have a pair of jeans that cost $37. So here's my $37. And I have to figure out how much it cost for the sales price. Well, let's look at these first two before it. How much did I take off? So for the first one, I took off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the second one, I took off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much am I going to take off for this one? That's right, I'm going to take off 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took off 5, and when I do, how much do I have left over? So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. I'm going to put $32 in that box. Let's keep going because it's asking me about 33, not about 37. So the next one I have is 35. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show my model. Here's my $35. Let's make sure I did it right. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And I have to figure out the sales price. So we took away 5 here. We took away 5 here. We took away 5 here. How much do you think we're going to take away here? If you said 5, you're correct. So let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much is left over? 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to put the $30 right here in this box for the sales price. So now we're getting to the one for the question. If it usually costs $33, how much will it cost if it's on sale? So the first thing I'm going to do is model it. So here's my 33, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I took away 5 here. 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 How many am I going to take away? That's right, I'm going to take away 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking them away. So now let's see how many are left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So my sales price is $28. So I was able to figure out the question for how much would it cost. If they usually cost $33, how much would they cost if they were on sale? I know it's 28. But I want you to think about something. I want you to think about what's the relationship. What's the relationship between the regular price and the sales price? What did we do every single time? Turn and talk to somebody near you. What did we do every single time? Did we add? Do we subtract? Do we multiply? Or do we divide? All right, who can tell me, what did we do? We didn't add. Our number did not get bigger. Our number got smaller. You told me it got smaller. So we didn't add. What did we do? Yeah, that's right. We subtracted. So we're going to subtract. So let's think about how would we write that relationship. So I started with $42 and I took away, how much did I take away each time? That's right, I took away 5. So since I took away those 5, that gave me my 37. Let's see if that worked for this one. I started with 40, I took away 5, and I have $35. I started with 37, I took away 5, and now I have 32. I have 35, I took away 5, now I have 30. I have 33, I took away 5, and now I have 28. So what is the relationship between all of these numbers? That's right, I'm going to take away 5. So it doesn't matter how much the jeans cost. If I take $5 away from it, then that's going to always tell me that sales price for this problem.